Hi, let's discuss what happened today in Nifty and what's going to happen tomorrow and also Bank Nifty. So we'll discuss option chain, OI versus strike price, what are the changes that happened in intraday, FII data, DI data, and also even I thought to share some of the things which will be discussed later in the video. So please stay tuned so that you will be getting more knowledge today other than the technicals and all these things. Okay, let's start. So what happened today as we expected, the move is we expected a gap down or else we expected a red candle because we almost formed a bearish Maribozo. So that's what happened today. So after this Maribozo, so it opened and gap down, again it went down and took a bit of support. So finally end like almost a doji but not a doji also, and it took support here. So if it had broken this, I would have thought of selling calls or aggressive selling, I can say. But for now, I can say this is still in the channel and it's above 17,800 close. So until it is there, I think we are safe. We are in the bullish trajectory. So let's go for the intraday Nifty. So this is the 5 minutes chart of Nifty. Okay, let me delete all this so that you would understand the price action. Okay, yeah, so the market opened and gap down here and it took a bit of support here in the lower levels, and again it went up and it consolidated a bit here, came down, and see, after 9:30 at least you need to have some price action to take the trade of intraday. So how do the price action comes? What is price action generally? In simple words, price action is either forming lower lows or lower highs, or else higher highs or higher lows. So if this kind of patterns you can see, then only you can say there is a price action, either it is a bullish or a bearish. If the price action is consolidation, it means the market will be lying in some particular range. So let me show you what is, see, the price action here. You can say the market reached this high and the next it couldn't reach that high, and next it stopped here, and third one it couldn't reach till here, it stopped here. So which means these are higher lows, and again it couldn't reach there, so it went till here. Even the lows also here, every time it is forming lower lows. Just a second guys, yeah, so this one and this one. Okay, so I think you understood. So which means once it come out of this zone, you can say the market is trying to change from negative price action to a positive price action. Once it broke this, the next resistance, the swing resistance would be this. Once it broke this, the next swing resistance would be this. So the market has come down and it took a support of here, and again it went up, it gave the positive price action again here. So it broke all the resistances in a day and it went up again, it took a new resistance formed here. So market is a bit of volatile here. So because it went day low and day high, again day low and consolidation, and again ended at almost at day low levels. So now see this. So now here this would act as a support. Whatever the resistances, those things act as a support. Once it breaks, these are swing lows. See, it broke here, it broke here, it broke this. So again the negative price action has formed here. So again it is a bit of consolidation. It couldn't break this to give the again positive price action. So which means now, for now market is in bit consolidation zone here. Yeah, so what we can expect tomorrow? So see this, in a particular 5 minutes time frame, and if we see the 15 minutes time frame, the market already broke our channel. So whether our channel stands or not, tomorrow we'll get to know clearly, because we are seeing the day candle to break. Once the day candle breaks, we are sure shot that the market's gonna be bit of bearish till it reaches again 17,400 levels. For now I'm expecting tomorrow the market at least should stay here and it should take the support of 17,700 in futures. Right now I'm talking about futures. It should take support till 17,700, and 17,700 and 800 would be the good support range. As we saw today, it is a lot of supporters at 17,800. So let's see what's going to happen tomorrow, and due to the option chain, you can understand it's very hard to break the 17,900 and 18,000 levels again for this expiry at least. So yeah, this is the day chart. And okay, let me come to Bank Nifty. So see the Bank Nifty as we discussed yesterday. So that is a dark cloud. We expected a gap down, or else once it is flat opening it will go down. So as we expected, it went gap down, and again it tried similar to the Nifty. It went till high and again it broke. It formed a doji. It's like nearly 99% doji, which means there is an undecisive in the market. There are supporters and also at the same time rejectors. So which means, see what is meant by doji: when there is a wick and also there is no green or red body, there is slight body, then we can call it as a doji. So this is a doji, there is a bit of undecisiveness. So market is trying to go up or down, no one knows. So tomorrow there will be a confirmation candle, we say. So once the market tries to comes down, it should take support here. Once it breaks this, again there might be some fall. So for now it should take support for this if it is gap down or something. Else if it opens either it gap up a bit here, the first resistance would be this, and support would be today's low. So if it opens anywhere here, try. If it breaks this, you can take a PE selling. If it breaks this, you can go for CE selling. So tomorrow will be the expiry day and the market would be a bit of volatile. You should handle the pressure given by the bulls and bears. So okay, now let's go to option chain. So this is a Nifty option chain. Here the lot of call additions have been taking place. 53.5 lakh contracts at 17,900. Yesterday we have discussed 17,900 broke a bit, but today it is confirmed with the, as there are a lot of unwinding and lot of put additions have been, call additions have been taken place. So if it, I believe in the option chain, due to my experience, if the option chain is more than 60 to 70 lakhs at one side and other side is like around less than like 20 or something, so the more one would be more aggressive and more dominative in the market. So as the 18,000 is like around 97.8 lakh contracts here, which means call sellers, so it is very almost impossible to break 18,000. To break 18,000, the market has to cross this level, 800, 850, 900, 950 and 18,000 level. So for all these contracts you have 100 plus 66 plus 20, which is like, I'll calculate roughly like 180, 200, almost 200 lakh contracts should come here, then only the market can move up. So which is quite impossible, I can say. So the PCR stands here at how much? 0.66. From 1.23 to 0.9, I guess yesterday 0.9 say 0.66. So the market is going into bit bearish side because there is a lot of call additions taken place today. Today is a call dominated day and a lot of put unwinding minus 11.8, which means there are no buyers, we can say, almost. The rate, see the tower, the 18,000 tower, it is very hard to cross. Let's see how it goes. Tomorrow would be an expiry. Once they start covering these, the market would move up like a rocket. Even that can be possible. That is called call unwinding. So let me give you a okay, I will say that later. So we'll go for FI data and DI data. So there is a lot of put additions compared to call additions, like 50,000 more than 60,000 to 70,000 more puts than calls long, and the calls activity, call shorted and put shorted. So we can say a bit of bearishness here also. So again, if I started selling 22,200 crores, DI started buying, and this is not a significant amount. FI also. So there is indecisiveness here also. We can't say how the market gonna be from here also. So yeah. So coming to Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, we have seen call addition and also put additions, which we can say there is a bit of support at 36,500 and 37,000 levels, and 37,500 also has withstanded for now, but there is a tower 38,000. So it might go down. If it start going down, it can break 37,500 easily. So it can act as support as 37,000. So this is it. And Okay friends, now let me give you a small introduction of what I'm talking about. What are these put sellers and call sellers? So, put sellers are nothing but who write the contract of put are known as put sellers, which means you can assume put sellers are bulls and also you can assume call sellers are bears. So what is this put seller? So which means, okay, I'll show you with an example. In 18,000, 97.8 lakh contracts of calls were there. These are called call writers, red color, which acts as support, a resistance to the market. So 18,000, अभी इधर 97.8 lakh contracts were saying tomorrow expiry would be less than 18,000 because then only they can gain this 10 rupees premium. That's why they have write this contract. Similarly, in 17,800 levels, if I see 47.6 lakh contracts were there, which means 47.6 lakh contracts were saying that the market will be ending tomorrow, I mean on expiry Thursday, will be more than 17,800. Then only they can gain this 57 rupees premium. So this is basically about call writers and put writers. So whenever you see these numbers, you can understand these are the people who will not want to come the market to that price, below that price till the expiry. Similarly, on the call writer side, the people will not want come to market to move up, to go up more than that. So that's it. And also, yeah, the one who says we can't, buying is easy, selling is hard, and buying requires less capital, selling requires more capital, like one lot के लिए 1 लाख चाहिए. So this is all a myth. If you really want to trade, if you really want to focus on your trades, keep an accuracy of your trades. How you want to start this we can discuss. So see, right now tomorrow my trade would be like, as the pattern is doji, I can expect 17,900 call sell and 17,600 call sell, we can say bit of skew towards bearish. So which means I am expecting market between 17,600 and 17,900, which means if the market stays between these, the 25 rupees will get down to 0 and also 14 rupees, 13.9 rupees also will go down to 0, which means 14 plus 25 is nothing but almost like 40 rupees premium, 40 into 50 per lot, which means 2,000 rupees I would get benefit. But how much capital does it require? So let's see. If I think you most of the people having Zerodha account, so I'll be see how to check. You can go for baskets, orders and baskets, create a new basket. So type selling something you want to write the name. So 17,600 put you want to sell. Okay, sell 17,400. The margin required is like 98k, right? Just wait. 17,900 call sell. The margin required would be like कितना है अभी 1,19,000 हो गया. So how I am reducing this? 17,600 PE. Now I will buy 17,500 PE and also 17,900 CE, right? For now I will buy 18,000 CE. Okay, so the final margin came down to 39,000. Once you buy this, you can sell this so that the margin would definitely come down. With the 40,000 rupees, I can sell all this, which means here, see this. Why I bought this? If I gain 13.9 rupees from this selling, I will lose 5.7 rupees in that. 14 minus 6, I will get 8 rupees only in this. And here 25 minus 10, I will get only 15 rupees out of this. By sacrificing extra 15 to 16 rupees, I am getting with this margin within the 40,000, I am getting like this much. So if you really want to trade, if you really focus on your accuracy, start trading. Even you can sell. If you just take by nearby call buying, take whatever strike price you think that it will not break, take that particular strike price, and if it is call, go for far out of the money call buying, and if it is put, go far out of the money puts also. Buy those or else buy near ones to get the margin benefit. Once try getting this, try to be in positive range, you will get a lot of benefit out of this and you will build your confidence also at the same time. So for today, that's it guys. So thank you. So whatever it is, please drop a like, comment, and also please subscribe. If there is anything, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you.